Kwai Hankor Tabuk Salburu Bruno, Sikok Mako Belino, Akarja, Obutikeno, Kwai Hankor, Sampahor base by Kobjak, Amdewan, Chaudhry Parani, Nus Devruma, Palno Tunchini, Nogo Sikok, Habwi, Bang Rangmarini, Rangchakni, Manikuni, Lakh, Khogwi Twlangkha, Obutikeno, Patimuniko, Kachapeka, Patimu, Sikok Mama Logologi, Tangin Ekya, Sampahor BSni, Echai, Sin de Burma, Monos Devrumani Bihit, Sarmista Devruma Shaka, Nogo, Kurishani, Kogrok, Obutike Habwi, Bongdogni, Rangchakni, Manikuni, Rang, Lakh, Twlangkha, Conditioning of the Hedon, Swrangchati.
Hello, my name is Dr. Neelam Ahmed and I am the Managing Trustee of the Dhanvantri Group of Institutions. Here, I would like to share with you our journey. I am a medical doctor who studied in MS Ramaiah Medical College. In 2003, my husband and I started the nursing colleges, the Dhanvantri Group. We started with nursing, but today we have several courses and programs: allied health sciences, pharmacy, management studies, paramedical. And the good news is that today we started our Dhanvantri multi-speciality hospital. We have very good, experienced and well-trained faculty who take care of the students like their family members and are excellent in their teaching. Our students, after passing out, do very well and they are placed very well in hospitals across the world as well as India. We have excellent teaching facilities for our students, including full-fledged labs. We have all affiliations and approvals from the government. Our campus is easy to access as it is at a walkable distance from the Chikpanawar railway station.